Fit the following vehicles. Speaker harness compatible with Jeep. 2008 to 2012 Liberty. 2003 to 2017 Wrangler. 2007 to 2018 Wrangler JK. 2002 to 2006 Wrangler TJ. 1999 to 2020 Grand Cherokee. 2007 to 2018 Wrangler Unlimited. 2014 to 2018 Renegade. 2006 to 2010 Commander. 2007 to 2018 Patriot. 2014 to 2020 Cherokee. 2006 to 2010 Commander. 2007 to 2020 Compass. Fit the following vehicles. Speaker harness adapter compatible with Dodge. 2002 to 2020 Ram 1500. 2003 to 2019 Ram 2500, 2003, 2019 Ram 3500. 2005 to 2007 Magnum. 2000 to 2020 Durango. 1998 Ram Laramie. 2016 Dodge Ram Limited Ecodiesel. 2000 to 2008 Dakota. 2008 to 2019 Challenger. 2007 to 2019 Charger. 2007 Caliber SE. 2007 to 2012 Caliber. 2019 Ram Classic. 2007 to 2014 Avenger. 2013-2014 Dart. 2004 to 2019 Caravan. 2008 to 2017 Grand Caravan. 2007 to 2012 Caliber. 2009 to 2017 Journey. 2004-2005 Neon. Fit the following vehicles. Speaker wire connector replacement for Chrysler. 2015, 2017, 200. 2005 to 2019 300 300C. 2017 to 2020 Pacifica. 2004 to 2017 Town Country. 2006 to 2008 PT Cruiser. It is good for car radio wiring harness. Easy to install and perfect fit. Connector harness are easy plug and play. It is not necessary to cut the original radio speaker connection from the car to install it. It makes it very simple to install the speakers. It only takes few minutes to car in a new adapter and connect a replacement speaker. No cutting, no clamping. Just plug it in and connect a new replacement speaker. Speaker connector will work great on your car and the music plays better. What you will get: 4x speaker connector. We provide 2 year warranty and lifetime customer service. If speaker connector fails, stops working or any other problems, please feel free to contact us for a replacement. We will give you a satisfactory solution for you. Top reviews from the United States. Reverse polarity have to representative in these. Heave to repin connector to have correct polarity but works good as long as you know what and how to do it.